Breaking news tonight is that some Chicago Public School Board members are now urging a switch to remote learning in response to immigration operations here in Chicago.
Just today, a Chicago Public Schools student was detained in Little Village. We have also seen other interactions near schools.
Our parents are asking for remote learning if possible. It is an emergency, period.
CPS interim CEO Macklin King saying tonight that schools are the safest place for students to be. The student was among those detained during federal operations in Little Village today. New video tonight showing these tense moments and agents using tear gas against protesters gathering near a discount mall.
This is the second day in a row we've seen confrontations with agents in that neighborhood. And tonight there are questions about the use of tear gas and whether agents violated a court order to issue warnings first. Border Patrol Chief Greg Bovino appearing to be among those deploying that gas. ABC 7's Trey Ward has details on what happened and the new order from a judge tonight.
After what happened here at Little Village Discount Mall, attorneys are now accusing federal agents of simply ignoring a temporary restraining order that set strict guidelines on the use of tear gas. A new federal complaint now taking aim at the man who led the charge. Amid the fray and chemical smoke deployments during this ICE protest in Little Village this morning,
federal agents started acting aggressive, pushing the protesters away. Again, it was all peaceful protesters.
Is this image of Border Patrol Chief Gregory Bovino appearing to show him throwing tear gas, quote, without justification, according to a new federal complaint that could soon be under courtroom scrutiny. Attorneys for Lovey and Lovey filing a notice of violation in federal court today regarding that use of tear gas. This comes after a federal judge earlier this month blocked agents from using gas and other riot control weapons without giving two warnings or against people who pose no threat.
Certainly the government's going to make its arguments here. Maybe they'll argue that the agent had no choice but to throw the tear gas. He felt there was immediate threats. He gave the requisite warnings. It was the only method he could use to secure his own protection or the safety, his own safety, the safety of his officers.
Among the multiple people seen detained by federal officers,
Help! Help me! What are y'all doing?
Was a 17-year-old student after he apparently joined the demonstration while on his way to school at Benito Juarez Community Academy in Pilsen. We've blurred his face since he was later released without charges.
I marked a junior student absent. Not because that student was sick, it was because ICE had snatched him up on his way to school. It's a sense of unease, it's a sense of anger and frustration. It's a lot of students calling in or parents calling in and saying, I don't feel safe.
We've reached out to DHS and CBP for comment but have not heard back. Bovino was already set to appear in court on November 5th, but now a federal judge wants to hear more about what unfolded here at this discount mall and has ordered more than double the time for questioning Bovino while he's under oath.